Welcome to Auto Show. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Path of Exile to texture not loading with an easy and effective solution.
Fix 1. Restart shader and texture cache Step 1. Close Path of Exile 2 Step 2. Restart your PC Step 3. Launch the game and wait for shaders to load fully. Fix 2. Verify game files Step 1. Open Steam/Launcher Step 2. Go to Library Path of Exile 2 Step 3. Verify integrity of game files. Fix 3. Lower graphics settings Step 1. Open Game Settings, Graphics Step 2. Set texture quality to medium or low Step 3. Disable dynamic resolution. Fix 4. Update GPU drivers Step 1. Open NVIDIA/AMD software Step 2. Check for latest driver update Step 3. Install and restart PC. Fix 5. Switch renderer Step 1. Open Game Settings, Graphics Step 2. Change renderer, Vulkan left arrow DirectX Step 3. Restart the game. Fix 6. Install game on SSD, if possible. Step 1. Move PoE2 to SSD. Step 2. Relaunch the game. Fix 7. Close background apps. Step 1. Open Task Manager. Step 2. Close heavy apps, browser, overlays. Step 3. Restart the game.